Letakhamuti tasenzaweni yaseMkhondo tithi inkohlakalo ngiyo liyenda ukuthi masipala ehluleke kwetfula tinsita. Tingenele umgwaco tabamba umbhikisho tashona emahhovisi akamasipala kuyomikisa luhla lwetikhalo.
The issues they pertain to the obvious service delivery issues, which ranges from the road infrastructure, bad road infrastructure, the water outage, bad electricity and sewer, which is attributed by the corruption level that is actually engulfed this municipality.
Emalunga emphakathi athi labo labahluleka kwenda umsebenzi kufuna baphume baphele.
The issue of water, electricity, roads and sewer is based on incompetence. For 10 years, some of these people have been in management for 10 years. Surely that is a sign and we can attest that they are incompetent.
Masipala uyavuma ke noko ukuthi letikhalo letivetiwe tiyavakala impela. Kodwa ke uthi letinye taletikhalo tingetulu kwemandla akhe.
The statistics are also confirming that in the district, the municipality is now number 2 in terms of the population. We have moved from, I think it's number 4 or number 5. So we have grown, and in that growth, we were unable to upgrade or grow the amount of power that we're getting from the other side, from Eskom.
Takhamuti tikhala ngekuthi kucisha kwagezi njalo njalo sekuthikamete kakhulu kusebenta kumabhizinisi kanti ke lamanye emabhizinisi sekavele avalile. Etindzabeni tetfu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela eMkhondo eMpumalanga.